want to show you how I have set up my Shopify website to send traffic to my Amazon store, allowing me to get attribution, brand referral fees, and to capture the emails of the people that eventually order on Amazon so that I can follow up with them asking for reviews. This is my system. You don't have to do it the same, but it works really well for me for 3 reasons. Number one, I don't need to fulfill those orders myself. Amazon does it automatically, and it doesn't need any type of integration. Everything goes straight to Amazon. Number two, the the possibility of following up with reviews is huge. Like, you have the email of someone who ordered from Amazon. You can ask if they're happy. You can make sure you make them happy if they're not. And if they are, you can really follow up as many times as you want to asking, kindly, you don't want to be annoying, to post a review on your Amazon page. Amazon doesn't let you do it if they order directly on Amazon, and you don't have their email, you don't have their contact information, they're completely anonymous to you. So this is huge. The third advantage is that these sales are sales coming from outside traffic to your page, which Amazon loves. And so it gives you a good push in ranking, especially if you have a decent amount of traffic going to your website. In my case, my website doesn't have a lot of traffic, but it's definitely a power up if you have some SEO or some external advertising driving traffic to it. So this is the website for my brand AdWords, and it runs on Shopify, by the way. As I scroll, exactly perfect. Let's see if I can make myself a little smaller. This pop-up comes up, and customers get 10% off if they click on this, right? So even before receiving that email, the email will have the same contact. They get this code and they can copy it. When they click go to Amazon, it will send them to Amazon, but this link is an Amazon attribution link. Specifically, this one over here, Shopify September 2024. I'm going to zoom a little bit. What it does is it tracks how many people click on it. And if they buy, Amazon gives me pretty much 10% back as a referral fee. And 10% for my product that is pretty much $100, it is $10. And $10 is exactly what I offer with this discount code. Now, some people even forget to use this code on Amazon. And so I get, full price sales. But even in the other case, Amazon would take normally 15%. With this link and attribution, Amazon only takes 5% because 10% is given back as a brand referral fee. This way, most of my traffic coming from my website goes to Amazon. It's fulfilled by Amazon. I don't have to do anything. That's mainly the goal. It helps rank on Amazon. And I pay, yes, 5% on those sales, but if I had to sell them directly from Shopify, I would have paid 3%. So yes, I'm losing 2% of these sales, but again, Shopify is not my main website, my main source of traffic. And I'll show you quickly how I set this up in case you want to do it like me. So this pop-up is from Klaviyo. Klaviyo is an email provider, and the initial plan, I think, is free until like a number of users, like I think until you have like 500 subscribers or something like that. I mostly use it to have this flow going. So the flow that shows the pop-up, which should be on sign-up forms over here, pop-up 10% off, unique code. It gives me statistics about it. I can even A/B test which one is the pop-up that performs the best. Oh, also, another very important thing is that if these people order on Amazon from Shopify, I have their email and I can email them directly asking for reviews outside of Amazon. Amazon is really stingy. It doesn't let you contact customers multiple times or be too direct in asking for a review. Instead, via email, you can pretty much do anything you want. You can even offer them an additional discount or a product, anything you want, as long as it's pretty much within the Amazon guidelines. So having the email of someone who you know for sure ordered from Amazon, and you know because of this, because Amazon attribution tells you that you had 2 sales, it's priceless. It's really good. It's actually as close as you can get to getting 2 new 5-star reviews for these 2 sales. And then if you have a lot of sales like this, well, then you will get more reviews. So that's another reason why I do this. Back to Klaviyo, we have the pop-up code. The other thing that happens, and I'll see if I can retrieve the email, is that once they leave their email there, they add it to Klaviyo as subscriber, and they get this flow in which they get immediately they get immediately one email that looks pretty much like this. Let me move. That has the discount code in it. This changes, is dynamic, and that this is the same link that takes them directly to Amazon. Then they also have email reminders 3 days later and then 4 days later that their discount code is gonna expire. On Klaviyo, you have a coupons section. In order to upload these coupons on Amazon Seller Central, you can go to promotions, and in Manage Your Promotion, you can see the ones that are actually being used. There have been 3 orders in the last, few months. So as you can tell, I don't have many orders coming from it. But if you want to create a new one, I think that you will create a percentage off, and then you will create something like a single use code. You will give it a name that you can remember. You will make sure that the promotion does not show on little pages, so this one should be unchecked. Maybe you can do only one register per customer, however you want. Once you create it, it's going to be in Manage Your Promotions, and you can then download it, I think from here, Manage Claim Codes. Yes. So you create these codes, you download them, you add them to Klaviyo, to your form. You go on Edit Form, where you can see the look of it and everything. But on Success, this is where you will eventually use unique coupon, uploaded coupon, and then you will put you will select actually the ones you uploaded before, which is this one. I hope that it wasn't too confusing the way I described it. I just wanted to show you because it's working really well for me. I get sales directly fulfilled from Amazon for the traffic I get on my website. I pay pretty much the same commission. I can contact these people directly to get reviews. And those sales help me, boost my ranking on Amazon because they come from external traffic, which Amazon loves. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I can package something a little more, structured to set this up, like a standard operating procedure or a step-by-step guide. If you need it, please let me know. I'll add it to the description. And cheers. See you to the next one.